Now let us see, children. We have got some like terms and we have got some unlike terms. Uh, now what is this? In 7th you studied about algebraic expression. So one by one try to understand everything. We are recalling actually this chapter. Actually it's a recall of what we did in 7th. First thing, this is an algebraic expression. These two, suppose I take. Now here first we see this. There is a variable, it has got a power and there is a coefficient. So an algebraic expression contains coefficient and power in the variable. It may have two variables and the coefficient of both the variables is 6. And the power of A, if nothing is there, it's 1 and the power of B is 2. So now try to understand, coefficient does not play any role. It can be negative, positive, fraction or whatever in this side. It does not play any role to recognize the like term. A like term will be recognized by variables. A like term will be recognized by variables and it will be recognized by the power on the variable. So how to recognize like term? Like term can be recognized by the variable and the power on the variable. If variable matches exactly and if the power on the variables also match, then only the terms are like term, otherwise they are not like terms. Now these two are not like terms because it's already have an extra variable. So it's not like term. Now let us see if there are variables with different power, are they like terms? So if I say this is 5a square b and there is 2ab square, though the variables are the same, but the power on the variable does not match. So these are not like terms, they are called unlike terms. So from here if we have to select, suppose we have to select unlike terms or like terms. So here there is the variable with power a square, so this and this two will match and this two will be matching. So we have got 5a square minus 7 square and 1 by 4a square, they are like terms. So that means these three we can add or subtract, and multiplication and division is valid for all the types. But why do we find like terms and unlike terms? Is mainly to operate addition and subtraction. Only like terms can be added and only like terms can be subtracted from each other. But all the type of terms, like terms of or unlike terms, they can be multiplied with each other. So we go one by one slowly. So addition, suppose we have to add all these. So we'll write the like terms together. 6a square, then we have got minus 8a square, then we have got 7, so we have to add, so we put plus, then 6ab, then minus 2a cube. Now we will check with the sign I have copied, and if we have to add and nothing is there, then you put plus in between. Now 6a square and minus 8a square, if you add you will get minus 2a square. Plus nothing, now this does not have any like term, so it will be remaining like this. This does not have any like term, so it will be remaining like this and it will be remaining. So this is the final answer. Easy? So now let us see. Okay, so we go to the second sum. So it's just let us have a look. Now here what is happening? We have to add 6a plus 5b plus 7c. 5b plus 7c, you can do the column method. 6a plus 5b plus 7c, I have copied there. Then 8a minus 2b plus 3c. 8a minus 2b plus 3c. C. 6a plus 5b plus 7c. 8a minus 2b plus 3c. You write the like terms one below the other. So then add 6 and 8 is what? 14a plus 5b and minus 2b. So plus 3b. And now 3c over here. So 7c and 3c is 10c. Suppose there was only one term here, then you have to just straight away write down there. So this is what is addition. So you can do this on your own. So I'll move down this way. You can pause and copy the question. Now we go to subtraction. So let me get rid of this microphone. a wire just disturbs me a lot. So now it is written subtract 2a plus 3b plus 5c from 7a minus 3b plus 2c. So from will be on the top, 7a minus 3b plus 2c, and then 2a plus 3b plus 5c. Now subtraction means all the sign. Suppose I put a minus over here. I change the question for you to understand. Now you have to subtract. So all the sign will change. Positive will become negative and negative will become positive. So 7a minus 2a is minus 5a. Now this sign is not valid, this is valid. Minus 3b and minus 3 is minus 6b, and so this is 7c. So this is easy to do. So you can do the next one on your own. Then we go to find the product. So you revise. You want me to do this one also? Okay, right, Lakshit. I'm doing this one also. You want to do that, Lakshit? So Shubhasha, you want me to do this? So 6a square b minus 5ab square. Diva, have a look nicely. Your attention should be here. Zoom it and see 2a square b minus 2ab square plus 4. Since it is iterated, subtract this from this, so from will be on the top. Now what do we do? Yeah, Pranay, change the sign, right? Minus plus minus. 6 minus 3 is what? 3a square b minus 5ab square, but this is bigger, so minus 5 means minus 3ab square plus 7 minus 4 is what? Plus 3. So wow, easy. So we get this also. Now we move on to the next one is, so you know, like terms are compatible with respect to addition or subtraction. So, but for multiplication, any term can be multiplied with any term. Let us see. We have 2a cube comma 3ab square. So we are multiplying into minus 7a square b. So multiply the numeral first. 3 to the 6, 6 7 the 42. Then we have all the variables first you write. A and b are there only. So it has got power 3 and 1 over here and 2 over here. So it will be 3, 1, 4 and 2, 6. B square, 2 here and 1 here. So it will be 3. Okay, did you understand? So that is there. All right, that is there. Did you understand? This is there. Now next. Now this, let us see. Now we are coming to this one. So there is a bracket and there are two terms. I will multiply each term. So I will write 2a square b into 4abc, then the minus sign 3b into 4abc. So now it becomes the first part. First numerals multiplied 8, then a square and a1. So a cube, b1 and b1. Power I am telling. Nothing is there, that means 1. So b2 and then c remains just like that. Then minus 3b. So first we write a, then there are two b's. So b square and then there is a c over here. So 3ab, ab square c. So that is there. So this completes our finding the product also. So there may be small sometimes I may skip. So you can directly put on a comment because teaching online and I'm getting there may be here and there I make intentional small leaving up a blank. So you check that if there is somewhere and you point out on the comments. Thank you so much. God bless you.